Hello, welcome to the first episode of this tutorial. In this lesson, I am going to introduce you to the editor we are going to be using. If you're on Android or iOS, which is an iPhone, so you can check the App Store and Google Play. So firstly, I am using the Android, so I have access to the Play Store. I'm going to click on the Play Store and then search for the app called SPCK editor, then install it, and after you install it, then you can open the app. So when you open the app, so it will bring some already made uh already made HTML, CSS, JavaScript, but you don't need to worry about that. You can delete everything by clicking on this three dot here and then click on delete. But right now there is nothing inside this folder, so because I've deleted everything, so what we are going to do is to create a folder. You can create a folder using the plus sign. So when you create a folder, you can click on this new folder. So since I have created this new folder, I don't need to create any other folder. So what I'm going to do is just to click on these three dots here and then to click on new file, and I will type any name. But if you want to create a file and you want to write in HTML, so you need to save the extension with .html. So firstly, I'm going to write a name. I will now save it with the extension .html. So this will create a dummy template for me, so which is all the structure of HTML that I'll be using. The first one is the doc type HTML, which we have this exclamation mark at the start. So with the less than and greater than. So this less than and greater than there inside it, anything that is inside it is called an element. So it is called a tag, and the tag we usually have opening and closing tag. So before you start coding, I'm going to delete everything because I don't need it right now, so as to explain what this means. So the first thing I'm going to do is to use this less than or greater than, and then I'm going to put something inside it. So initially we do not include the doc type in the previous version of HTML, but now in the HTML version 5, so they included this doc type. So which means if you want to write the doc type, you need to start with the exclamation mark. So how am I going to start with the exclamation mark? This exclamation mark, then I will write doc type in capital letter, doc type, which means document type. Then after it, I will put HTML. So this will tell the browser, oh, I want the latest version of HTML. So this doc type HTML tells the browser you want the latest version of the HTML. So we start an HTML code by just writing an HTML tag. So the HTML tags usually contain opening and closing tag. So the closing tag we use a slash there like this, and then the HTML. So this is what you first write. This is the first tag you first write. So and then inside this HTML tag, it contains the head tag, so which is this. So we'll put the head tag like this, and then with the closing tag head like this, and then the body tag. So we also have the body tag. So then slash body. Yes. Now this the head tag, between opening and closing tag, it can also contain some data like links, like other, it can contain links and other things like meta and so on and so forth. So but this in the body tag between opening and closing tag, so we have anything we want to write, all the code we want to write is going to be inside the body tag. So we can just type anything there and then we save it. You can see it is going to display in our browser. So if you want to run it, you need to press this green button here at the top, and which is going to display the information. So if you have installed the app, you can do the same and then meet me in the second episode.